4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly wig related content, but I do a little makeup, a little car vlogs, things like that. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Today I'm just doing a quick little wig review. I got this wig together and I'll put the clips in of what I did with her. But this wig here is Camryn, okay? And this is Miss Camryn here. Camryn is from It's A Wig, and I have her in the color TT2730. I really love this coloring. Camryn is a lace parting wig. She's not a lace front. 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. I scooped her up from Elevate Styles for $20.99. This has that sort of natural curly full type of situation. She is probably in the same vein as Free Tress equals Venetia and Malia. I'm trying to think, there's one more. They're all pretty much a very similar wig, just at various lengths. So if you like either of those 2 wigs, I think you're gonna love this wig. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah. She's, oh, there you go. She's definitely longer than Venetia, not by a lot, but just a little bit. This is a really pretty wig. I definitely love the color. It's a lace parting wig, so it took me like lickety-split to get her together. Maybe like 2 minutes. You could leave more baby hairs out. She does come with baby hairs if you wanted to do that, but I didn't want to do that. I'm fine with how she looks right now. This wig was shedding quite a bit though. I just have to say that. Yeah, it's still shedding quite a bit. I do love the like bounciness of the curls. I think that that's so cute. But because of this texture, this sort of natural curly yucky texture, she is going to probably tangle, so you're going to want to keep on her. Yeah, see. But other than that, I think it would be fine so long as you like just keep it in check. And I think this is a cute wig for the price, especially if you really love this sort of natural curly type wig situation. I think you'll really love that. So yeah, this is Miss Camryn. I've had Camryn for so long, like so long, and just always have either forgot to review her or like it was summertime. This is definitely not a summertime wig. You know, I held off a little bit. Wig cap is comfortable. It's a roomy wig cap. It probably could stretch for someone who is looking for a larger wig cap. It's got that mesh cap, so there's a lot of nice stretch in there. But yeah, this is Miss Camryn from It's A Wig. Do you have Miss Camryn? If you do, tell me down below what your thoughts are. If you want me to review another It's A Wig wig, put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I will see you in my next video. Oh.